Unidad 1, zona occidente, grupo 900-005-66. Título TAS 4, Spanking Assessment. Guillermo Alejandro Riveros Carrero, Armenia, Quindío, miércoles 20 de octubre. Presentation in English, positive and negative aspects of technology. Hello, my name is Guillermo Alejandro Riveros Carrero. I will talk about of positive aspects and negative of technology. Positive impact technology. Current the discussion on the issue of how technology affects the environment have been reopened since some raw materials that are used to manufacture electronic devices are extracted from nature. These have led to a problem, which is relative to exploitation of minerals used in the electronics industry such as coltan, gold, platinum, copper, palladium. To obtain these minerals, quantities of water and energy are used in their extraction process. Negative impact technology. There's humans activity affects the environment. Therefore, deforestation, the pollution produced by some machines generates pollution and destruction of natural ecosystems. These directly affect the environment and also generate greenhouse gases, and therefore the main causes of climate change is generated by the anti-ecological action of man, who inhibits excessive desire for generative resources to meet a need associated with a lifestyle taking resources that belong to the environment. Gracias por su atención.